Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a co-host to your listing on the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after that you log into your account, you will need to switch to hosting, or you can just go to the manage listing. After that, we will need just to go to menu, choose the listing where you want to add a co-host, and then we are going to click on it. And basically now we are going to search for the co-host option. And as you can see at the bottom here, we find co-host. And as you can see, now we can add a co-host, and from there you can add an email address of the co-host, and you are going to invite your friend or the person that you wanted to be a co-host, and then you will click invite, and basically they will be added as co-hosts. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.